guys, my name's Miranda from WTI, and today I'm showing you guys the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. This one in particular is the graphite color. This is actually my husband's phone. I took his case off so I can show you guys his phone, but yeah, this is one of the best phones. We bought it for the camera. As you can see, there's 3 lenses there, and currently it does have a protector. That's why you see that, and unfortunately my husband does need a new protector. But as you can see, it just has a 3 really big lenses, which allow for nice pictures. Like I mentioned, I'll show you guys some pictures here that we've taken with this camera. But we love to take our phones on vacation with us because of the camera. We get really good quality. But yeah, if you're an Apple lover, I mean, I don't have to sell you on their phones because they are amazing. But this is my husband's. I have the gold. But yeah, here's how it looks. It's super slim. One thing I do love is that this is matte, because we all know our fingerprints get everywhere, so that allows it to stay looking nice. Here you go. Here's the front. And he also has a protector on there as well. But yeah, this is an amazing phone, but that's my point of view.